Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this key fob. We noticed that the key fob wasn't working with the vehicle. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the emergency key. There's a little button right here. Pull this out, just like that. Now we're going to use the actual key to help separate this. There's a little slot above where it actually came out of. Just get in there, and then we're going to twist it. And that'll separate the key fob a little bit. Just pry it apart with your fingers. There's a little clip right here. Pry that apart. And then the key fob will come apart. Right, next, to replace the battery, we're going to grab under here. We can use a small screwdriver. Pry up under here. Pull this out. I'm going to separate the battery from this piece. The battery is a CR2032. I'm going to install our new battery. I'm going to line this connector up with the tab right there. Push it down in there. I'm going to take the control panel off. This is what controls the buttons. Slide that like that. We're going to line this part up and just snap it together. And then we'll reinstall our emergency key and give it a test. And it works. Perfect.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.